We have seen robots playing professional tennis, Amazon buying out stealth robot startups, and AI faces that look so scarily human, it is genuinely terrifying. Today, we are doing a massive, hyper-detailed deep dive into the absolute craziest robotics news that just dropped this week. We are going to look at the exact tech specs, the hidden prices, the founders behind these companies. Grab a snack, get comfortable, hit that like button, and let's jump right into the future. All right, let's kick things off with a massive industry-shaking acquisition. Amazon officially bought a New York-based startup called Fauna Robotics. Now, let me give you a little backstory. Fauna was started back in 2024 by two engineers who used to work at Meta and Google. They stayed completely in stealth mode for 2 whole years, backed by huge investors like Kleiner Perkins and Lux Capital. Their big idea? They believe robots shouldn't just be cold, scary metal machines locked in factories. They wanted to build robots that are safe, soft, and can live in our messy, everyday homes. Enter their very first robot, Sprout. Guys, Sprout is intentionally designed to be like a friendly 5-year-old kid. It is only 3 feet 6 inches tall, about 107 centimeters, and weighs an incredibly light 50 pounds. The entire body is covered in soft foam padding, meaning it has 0 sharp pinch points. If it bumps into you, it won't hurt you at all. It features 29 distinct joints, a colorful LED face with physically moving eyebrows, and hands grippy enough to pick up your keys or a ball. But listen to this. Do not let that cute face fool you. The brain inside this thing is an absolute monster. It runs on the NVIDIA Jetson AGX Orin 64GB module. Think of this as a mini supercomputer the size of a credit card. It features an Ampere GPU and a 12-core ARM processor that can do an insane 275 trillion operations per second. It only uses about 15 to 60 watts of power, meaning Sprout gets about 3 to 3.5 hours of battery life, and the battery is hot swappable. Because of this massive brain, Sprout sees in 3D and processes everything locally, so it never has to send your private home data to a cloud server. Right now, their Creator Edition costs about $50,000 and is actively being tested by companies like Disney, NYU, and even Boston Dynamics. But now that Amazon has acquired them, the ultimate goal is to mass produce these to be the perfect, affordable smart home helper. Now, while Amazon wants to be in your living room, Elon Musk literally wants to run the global economy. Just yesterday, on March 25th, Tesla's official Optimus account dropped a massive hiring call, declaring that the Optimus robot will be the biggest product ever made. Guys, they are literally repurposing their California car factory and building a massive new factory in Texas just to hit a goal of manufacturing 1 million robots per year. Let's break down the exact specs for their newest Optimus Gen 3. It stands 5 feet 8 inches tall, weighs exactly 125 pounds, and features a sleek, smooth black head. It can walk at a solid 5 miles per hour and has a battery that lasts anywhere from 4 to 12 hours depending on the workload. But here is the biggest upgrade by far: the hands. Each hand now has 22 degrees of freedom and is packed with 50 tiny actuators or micromotors. These hands are so incredibly precise, they can pick up a raw egg without breaking it or thread a tiny bolt. And the brain? It uses Tesla's full self-driving FSD AI. You don't sit there coding it, you just show it how to do a chore once, it runs it through a simulation, and it remembers it forever. The target price when this hits mass production? Elon says it will be a ridiculously low $20,000 to $30,000, maybe even dropping below $20,000 eventually. We are expecting low volume production for Tesla's own factories by this summer 2026, with high volume production kicking in by the end of the year. Salesforce CEO Mark Benioff just shared a video of the Figure 03 robot showing off some truly insane skills. In the video, you literally see the robot calmly catching and sorting thrown packages on a moving conveyor belt super fast, even when Benioff keeps tossing them back to mess up the robot's rhythm. Let me give you the background here. Figure AI is a California startup founded in 2022 by Brett Adcock, who actually started a flying car company before this. They build everything in their own US factory called BotQ, and they have raised over $1 billion from absolute giants like Nvidia, Jeff Bezos, and Microsoft. Their Figure 03 model stands between 5 foot 6 inches and 5 foot 8 inches and weighs 134 pounds. But you have to hear about this hand tech. Each hand has a tiny camera built in right into the palm and tactile sensors that can feel pressure as small as 3 grams. To give you an idea of how crazy that is, 3 grams is literally lighter than a paperclip. It runs on their own proprietary AI called Helix, which combines vision, language, and action. It has a 5-hour battery life and charges completely wirelessly just by standing on a special pad. Recent demos showed it doing 8 different cleaning tricks, like wiping tables with a spray bottle and loading dishwashers. Just like Tesla, they're aiming for that $20,000 price tag, and people are already incredibly hyped for the Figure 04 coming next year. Alright, so robots can clean and store packages, but what about sports? A Chinese company called Unitree Robotics, which has been around since 2016, just showed their G1 robot playing real, intense tennis rallies with humans. Now, how did it learn this? A team from Tsinghua University, Peking University, and Galbot created a brand new AI framework called Layton. Normally, you have to train robots using perfect footage of pro athletes, but Layton used just 5 hours of messy amateur tennis footage. It breaks down the movements into tiny pieces, and the result is mind-blowing. The robot can return balls flying faster than 15 meters per second, over 33 miles per hour, with a ridiculous 96.5% success rate. And the absolute best part about the Unitree G1? You can literally go online and buy it right now. It is only 4 feet 4 inches tall, 132 centimeters. It folds up small enough to fit into a bag, and it weighs just 77 pounds. The basic version starts at just $13,500. If you want the EDU version that has the Nvidia Orin chip and better hands for research, that'll run you about $43,000. It is truly one of the most affordable humanoids on the market.
But what if we don't need a robot to walk around? What if we just needed to do hyper-precise, delicate jobs? Let me introduce you to Kyber Labs. This is a tiny Brooklyn-based startup founded in 2022 by Tyler Habowski, who used to work at SpaceX and Machina Labs alongside industrial designer Jonathan Robbins. With just $1.7 million in early funding, they built a 5-fingered robotic hand with 20 degrees of freedom. It uses artificial muscle fibers that are soft, compliant, and backdrivable. In a massive one-take video with 0 human teleoperation, this hand flawlessly performed a 42-step clinical pathology blood test workflow. It was pipetting liquids, mixing samples on a vortex machine, and loading centrifuges perfectly. Their main motive? To fix the massive staffing shortages in medical labs so doctors can get disease diagnoses faster and cheaper. Then, over in Suzhou, China, we have UniX AI. Founded in 2024 by a young Yale dropout named Fengyu Yang, they just showed off their Panther series. This isn't a walking robot. It has a 4-wheel omnidirectional chassis that can slide sideways through tight kitchen aisles. The torso lifts up 80 centimeters, about 31 inches, to reach high shelves, and it features dual 8DOF bionic arms running on a powerful 48-volt system. Powered by their Unitree AI stack, this thing is a beast. Alright, this next update is the one that might actually give you nightmares. A Shanghai startup called AheadForm, founded in 2024 by Columbia PhD grad Dr. Yu-Hung Hu, just revealed their Origin F1 humanoid platform. Guys, look at this face. People on Twitter are calling it scary human. This is not some creepy stiff plastic mask. It uses bionic silicone skin with subsurface scattering, meaning light actually shines through it just like real human skin. Beneath that skin are 30 artificial facial micromotors. These control every single tiny movement, blinking, smiling, eyebrow raises, lip curls, and even tiny twitches. And get this, the faces are magnetically swappable. You can literally pop the face off and snap a brand new character skin on in seconds. It has cameras built right into the eyes to make perfect eye contact. It uses a VAE AI model to listen to the tone of your voice and instantly generate matching micro-expressions. You tell a joke, it smiles and laughs. You sound sad, it looks concerned. Which of these robots blew your mind the most? Would you trust that realistic AheadForm face sitting in your house? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Keep building, keep learning, and I will see you in the next one.